Top 10 dangerous gangs in the world. No scientific tool to measure the inhumanity of humans except comparing them to each other. Gang violence is one of the most talked about issues all around the world, and here we uncover some of the most dangerous gangs. Nobody even dares to mess with them. Number 10. 14K Triads. Triads are involved in the trafficking of street drugs worldwide and have its headquarters in Hong Kong. They also engage in human trafficking, underground gambling, drug and weapon trafficking. They also involve in fraud, kidnapping, prostitution, loan sharking, extortion, robbery and murder. Its 20,000 members are distributed throughout the world. Number 9. Aryan Brotherhood. A gang so terrifying that even criminals fear them. Since the Aryan Brotherhood is mainly a prison group, it operates in secret. They are famous for giving individuals the most horrible deaths and are people who are completely full with hate. They are accused of committing 1/4 of all American jail killings. They were established in 1964. Since 1964, the Anti-Defamation League has distinguished them as the most violent extremist group in the US. Number 8. 18th Street Gang. It is a rival street gang of Bloods and Crips. Its status as a multi-ethnic, multinational criminal organization with a majority of Central American and Mexican members. According to reports, an 18th Street Gang member robs and assaults someone in Los Angeles on a daily average. They are reported to have killed 3 times as many people as any other gang. Number 7. Mungiki. Mungiki moved from being a prohibited ethnic group to becoming a death squad with kidnapping, knife attacks, destruction and poisoning. They destroy Kenya. Their members used to practice a ritual where they would bath in blood. Their documented crime over the last few years always incline. Human heads on a road is a symbol of Mungiki gang. Number 6. United Bamboo. A number of the biggest baddest gang in the world have connection with United Bamboo, also known as Zhu Lian Bang, a Taiwan-based gang. Their connection facilitates the smooth operation of their unlawful undercover network. Number 5. Los Zetas. This Mexican cartel is considered the main rival of Cosa Nostra. They have the biggest share in illegal drug affair in not only Mexico but also a major part of United States. They are responsible for mass murder and incomparable destruction to sustain their drug business. Number 4. Bloods and Crips. Bloods and Crips are 2 American African street gangs, and only very rarely is one described without the other. 2 violent gangs that rule Los Angeles and California. In fact, the Bloods were established in 1972 to combat the horror of the Crips. Bloods stand for brotherly love overrides oppression and destruction, but Crips stand for community revolution in progress. But the Crips and the Bloods are gang cultures with multiple sets of subgangs. Each group operates independently and has its own leader and set of rules. Number 3. Sinaloa Cartels. One of the most dangerous cartels is the Sinaloa Cartels. They have made their name known as a rumored drug cartel by killing people in front of the camera and posting it online. Joaquin Guzman Lara, the gang CEO, also known as Pablo Escobar, was included among the world's most powerful individuals by Forbes. Number 2. Cosa Nostra. Cosa Nostra is a word that means our thing in English. It is the Sicilian Mafia. Its history may be found in the early days of the Lower East Side of New York City. Its members refer to themselves as men of honor. The general public refer to them as mafiosi, which roughly translates to swagger. They are said to have 25,000 members, and there are apparently 250,000 insiders all around the world. Protection, extortion, settling disputes, illegal disputes, and conducting and organizing illegal agreement and transaction are the main duties of this mafia. Rewatch Godfather to get the Cosa Nostra feel. Number 1. MS-13. Absolutely nothing is off limits for this California-based gang. Its founding members were a group of refugee Salvadorians. This gang, with an average head count of 70,000, include merciless beasts that are ready to murder women and children as they are known for contract killing and dealing drugs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.